Hello, welcome back. In this segment, I will explain how function pointers are handled at the assembly level. Let's take an example, very small program sum, right, which takes two numbers a and b and returns a plus b. And we have a main function, which is going to call the sum. Main is calling sum, as you can see here, with the help of the sum pointer. Okay. What is sum pointer? Sum pointer is a pointer to a function that takes two arguments, int and int, right? Int and int, and returns an int. Okay, this is an int. Okay, so if you just have the name of the function is just referring to the address of the function. The function call actually happens here, right? We are passing in argument value 1 and 2 to invoke this function. All right, let's compile this and look at the assembly code and figure it out how the sum pointer is actually represented at the assembly level. Okay, I'll compile into sum pointer C, all warnings, and look at the main. Remember, our main had only one call, right, through the function pointer. And if you search for the call statement, there's only one here, which is this statement. Okay, in the usual function calls, you would see call and then name of the function. Here we are seeing call star percentage EAX. Okay, now the question is, what is there in EAX? Okay, EAX has EBV minus C. Okay, what is EBV minus C? If you keep tracking backwards, you will see EBV minus C contains this number. Okay, we can look at what is there in that number. What is there here? Let's look at that. We can disassemble that number. You will see the source code of sum. Okay, so basically function pointers are executed with the help of call star percentage EAX. If you have a pointer to a function, you would like to call a function, the usual syntax is call star percentage EAX, with the EAX register containing the pointer to the function. So in this case, as you can see, this is the location where the sum is defined, and that definition is actually being referred through the EAX call star EAX statement. Okay, and in the assembly code, we can see it's part of the assembly code. After the linker links it, the addresses are resolved. You will see that address, and call star percentage EAX essentially jumps there and execute the code. We can quickly check that also. Let me put a breakpoint at this place, right? Yeah, it's going to hit there, and we can look at what is there in the EAX. It's pointing to the sum. This is the sum function. Okay, these are the opcodes that make up the definition of the sum function. Okay, so we know how function pointers are actually implemented at the assembly level. It's just call star percentage and then register name. Usually it's the EAX register. All right, that's all. Thank you very much.